Alright guys, so this is my makeup, not too much, you can't really see it, it's just the MAC Dust black eyeliner, I just put it on my eyes, and then just lip stuff, and then bronzer stuff, I don't know, some girls want to know what I wear, so that's why I ask. Right now we are reading the solar system to Liam. He's right next to me. He's trying to do we're trying to get him in a comfortable spot right now so that he can turn the pages. It's a board book. But we are here for Garden of Life. I'm slouching so I can fit in the screen. But yeah, so we're here for Garden of Life. And really quickly, we are going to do it. So what we ordered last month, they ran out of, so they gave us all of those like green powders. That's why it was a bit boring, but I did it anyways. So we'll see what we've got here. Got a bunch of, this is so exciting. We've got One's Men's Multivitamin. So this is what Chris needs. Here you go, shake. Here, shake, shake, shake. So that is one of the vitamins that we use for Chris's heart all the time. And this guy's raw organic protein and greens, the real raw vanilla. This is my favorite. Favorite. This is our favorite. Here. Green food, perfect food. So this is the largest one that they've got from Garden of Life, and it's the green formula. So we've usually been getting the chocolate flavored, but we're going back to greens for a bit. That one. And then we got another vanilla protein and greens. So when actually like the whole cabinetry is fixed up, like these can fit in there. Woohoo! Liam's a little tired, guys, but he has to stay up for another 20 minutes. Just so I can like check on everything, because he did a tumble today. Oh my goodness. And so that was Garden of Life. What is it? Yeah, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. And so the books that we got, because this is such a short film, I'm gonna show you what we got. So we got Solar Systems from Hello World. Here you go, Liam. Brain Rolls for Babies. I just got this out of the closet because I have to read more on it. And it's an amazing chapter book. I got alphabet flashcards. He likes those. We got Open the Garage Door. And you're probably asking us, like, why the hell did you get more books? It's because these are very simple pictures. And like I got Goodnight Moon, but we were gifted that. We were gifted Goodnight Moon the book 3 times. But I like these because they're board books. They're small, and the pictures, like I was saying, is really big. Not too much. So since Garden of Life was so short, I'm gonna share with you guys what I got from Amazon really quickly. So it is a Backyard Bugs from Hello World. You're probably asking like why we got so many books, because we have books. It's because I wanted simple books that have simple photos and less things written on the pages. So it's a Mommy was baking cookies. Alfie loved cookies. So you can kind of see like it's clear pictures, and I can point to like what everything is. There's Curious George at the zoo. That's from PBS Kids. And Hello World, a solar system book. Where's Spot?
I'm going there next week. Although I'm 90% sure there'll be an earthquake.
And we got Open the Garage Door. So, like you can see, it's very, very simple.
Thank you.
And so I'm trying to like get him to focus. I'm trying to get Liam to focus on certain items, certain things, and start kind of trying to pronounce it. He is doing that. He's in the stages where he's saying this, this, this. I'm just trying to, you know, be able to help him form more words. Hey guys, so right here, Liam was talking quite a bit. So these are just some books that I also almost forgot to show you guys. But again, they're just more simple. Most of the authors are from Hello World, also from Eric. And this ABC book, it's going to be one of my favorites. And I have actually started to show Liam this, and he loves these books so far. Also, all this information that I'm getting is from Brain Rolls for Babies. So this book I've had, and I recommend this book to everybody. Pretty crazy, but I love this book. I just got it out of the closet and I threw it in here because I needed to go through stuff, because I'm making a learning storage box over there in his stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is a Garden of Life joined with Amazon. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. See ya. Bye.